Howdy! My name is Marina, and this is my second video for my CSCE 111 YouTube assignment. Howdy! This video is going to go over while loops. I'll be giving a simple explanation of what while loops are, and then give a brief demonstration in VS Code. So a while loop is essentially a loop that performs an action while a certain condition is true and only stops when the condition becomes false. Now we are going to look at a real-world comparison for our example. So let's look at this household and assume that the parents don't want anyone to lay on the couch. Like people can sit on the couch, but they cannot lay on it. And let's assume that all the kid wishes to do is lay on the couch. So the only thing they want to do while their parents are away is lay on the couch. So the condition is while the parents are gone, the action is the kid is laying on the couch. And so while the parents are back, aka they're not gone, that is when the kid is no longer laying on the couch. They've skedaddled away. So looking at VS Code, so I made this file called while loops, and then I just did the basics here. So what we're going to do is we're going to first decode, there we go, De declare, declare variables. I say variables, there's just going to be one variable. And the variable we're going to declare is the time in minutes parent is not home. So we're just going to do an integer time equals, let's say 0 for now. And then to make the actual while loop, we're just going to have the word while and then have parentheses. Now our condition is going to be in this parentheses. And then after that, you just put a swirly bracket, and then the action taking place is going to be in the swirly brackets. So our condition is going to be while time is not 0. Because when time is 0, that is when the parents are home. So let's do 5 for this example, just for simplicity's sake. I know 5 minutes is like so unrealistic. It's like I don't even know what that is. Anyways, to mark the kid laying on the couch, we're just gonna print system.out.println. If I know how to put there we go. On couch. Okay. And then since we have our variable time's gonna go down, so we're gonna continuously update it by saying time minus equals 1. So it's going down by 1 minute. So if we go ahead and run this, you'll notice that every minute the kid is laying on the couch. So our time is 5, so we have 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So our while loop worked, and I know how to make while loops. Now, what if we didn't have this? If we did not have this, we would have something that we call an infinite while loop. So if you take a look at the condition, while time is not equal to 0, that's when this would happen. But if we don't update time, then it's going to stay at 5. So it's forever not going to be equal to 0. So if that happens, let's take a little look-see at what will happen if that happens. This is so scary. Okay. Super scary. Fear not, just press Control C and then that'll stop it. That was terrifying. Yeah, if this ever happens to you, hopefully you're on the terminal because the debug console is not necessarily the best for this situation. Um, Go ahead and just press Control C on your keyboard, and then that'll take you out. So that's why it's very important to have maybe this or like some sort of break in your loop to avoid this mess. So yeah, that's a while loop. Hope you learned something new. Have a good day.